Welcome guys to Phone Tech. Samsung has announced A series smartphone Galaxy A80. Let's see the specifications. This smartphone has a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, and it comes with a triple rear camera, 48 megapixel plus 3D camera plus 8 megapixel camera. As well as this smartphone comes with a triple front camera, and you will get an Android 9 operating system in this smartphone, and fingerprint sensor on the display, and Dolby Atmos audio. Samsung Galaxy A80 comes with a 2.2 GHz octa-core processor and Snapdragon 730 chipset, and it has a Adreno 618 GPU. It has a 8GB RAM with 128GB storage. Now we talk about the battery. It has a 3700 mAh non-dual battery with fast battery charging. Samsung Galaxy A80 just announced. We have a just expected price, that's 50,000 in India rupees and 700 in US dollars.